If you are a kids brand, whether you manufacture toys, kids apparel, kids makeup, jewelry, watches, school bags, or anything else in the kids category, this message is for you. At Naivri, we're offering you something simple yet powerful. Increased visibility, completely free of cost. We know how hard it is to stand out today. That's why we want to help you get discovered without charging you a single rupee. We'll create your catalog, list your products, showcase your brand, and connect you to customers, all without asking you to build your own website or spend money on ads. And in return, we ask for just one thing. Please stop running behind international marketplaces. Stop trying to build direct-to-consumer brands from scratch. Stop chasing sales through your own website and relying on influencer promotions and expensive campaigns. Instead, focus on building B2B relationships. Work with platforms and partners that understand general trade and can help your products reach the right customers across India. Don't put your stock on quick commerce platforms either. Fast deliveries come at a huge cost, not just to your margins, but also to the Indian economy, the environment, and public safety. We've all seen the reports. The pressure of 10-minute deliveries has led to accidents, even deaths. Selling on e-commerce and quick commerce also leads to other major issues: high product return rates, excessive packaging waste, material damage, and operational losses. All this just for the illusion of growth. It's hurting your business. It's hurting the environment. And it's hurting India. Instead, put your time, creativity, and energy into developing new and meaningful products for children. Let us handle the rest. At Naivri, we'll manage your visibility. We'll connect you to the right buyers. We'll help your products reach homes, not just warehouses. And we'll do it in a way that is sustainable, efficient, and beneficial for your brand and for the country. Let's build something valuable together. Naivri, for kids, for brands, for Bharat,